Here I would like to mention couple of lines about the master blaster Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, about his moral principles and his great devotion towards his dad. Many liquor and tobacco companies have lined up and offered him crores of rupees just to add couple of minutes in their commercial advertisements. But Mr. Sachin Tendulkar didn't accept those offers because he has given a word to his great dad that he would ever never endorse any liquor or tobacco company as it would ruin the lives of families. That is the character of Sachin Tendulkar. Valmiki Ramayan, Sundarakanda Siddhi Sargalo. Today we are entering into the 18th part of our spiritual journey into Valmiki Ramayan. In the previous two episodes, we have listened to the Rama Katha, Rama story, being told by Swami Hanuman, who was sitting on the tree in that Ashoka gardens, hiding behind those leaves. Till now, he was mentioning about the great qualities of Emperor Dasaratha. Now he is going to tell about Sri Rama in this famous sloka. Tasya putrah priyo jyeshthah taaraa nibananaha raamo naama visheshaj shreshthah sarva dhanushmataam rakshitaa svasya dharmasya janasya rakshitaa rakshitaa jiiva lokasya dharmasya param. In the first line of this sloka, Swami Hanuman is mentioning tasya putrah priyo jyeshthah. It means there is an eldest and beloved son to great dad Emperor Dasaratha. Tasya putrah priyo jyeshthah taaraa nibananaha, and that son has an attractive face like moon. Raamo naama visheshaj, and that son's name is Rama, and he is a great scholar of all knowledge. Shreshthah sarva dhanushmataam, and that son is the best in archery. Rakshitaa svasya dharmasya janasya rakshitaa. It means that great son Rama not only follows his dharma but also protects his people. Rakshitaa jiiva lokasya dharmasya param. Param means destroyer of enemies. That great Rama, who is a destroyer of enemies, protects all beings and their righteousness. This is the character of Rama, and the same thing is also mentioned by Rama himself while he was in Dandakaranya forest. At that time, Sita Devi asks Rama why he unnecessarily declaring war on those demons. She also advises Rama to lead a low profile life and complete this vanavasa. Then Rama replies his wife, "Dear Sita, saints in this forest have requested me to save them from the clutches of these demons. I have already given my word of assurance to them. I will not go back. Api aham jivitam jahyam tvamba site salakshmanam natu pratignyam samstrudya brahmanebhyo visheshatah." It is one of the important slokas in the entire Ramayan that uncovers the real character of Sri Rama. Sri Rama himself is telling in this sloka to Sita Devi. He is saying, "Dear Sita, if at all required, I will sacrifice my life. I will leave off my brother Lakshman. At last, I may even leave off you. But not my promise made to others, especially to Brahmins and Dharmatmas." This is the character of Sri Rama that has transformed him from an ordinary human to a favorite god of millions of people across the globe. When we observe the words of Swami Hanuman in our today's sloka, we can understand how intelligently he is speaking. He didn't start Rama's story with Rama. Instead, he first described the great qualities of Rama's dad, Emperor Dasaratha. After that, he has started mentioning about Sri Rama. In this particular sloka, he is mentioning tasya putrah priyo jyeshthah. It means Sri Rama is such a great son who has obtain the fondness of his dad. Obtaining dad's love is different than obtaining dad's fondness. Yes, though the meaning of love and fondness looks to be similar, but they do differ in its meaning. Every children obtains dad's love. However, only a few children can obtain dad's fondness, and such children are born rarely on this planet. The dad's love for his son doesn't even diminish a bit. How bad the grown up son is. No matter how much harm the son does, the father always wishes for the betterment of his son. That is the nature of a dad. That is the character of a dad. That is what is called dad's love. Like that, all the children get dad's love. However, only a few children can obtain dad's fondness. If any such child who has obtained dad's fondness, it means that child has grown up righteously in life. Those children who have obtained dad's fondness, they always try to share the responsibilities of dad. They will not fight for properties. Instead, they will fight for the responsibilities. They always do the work that will bring the goodness to the society. They will not do any work that will fetch bad name to dad and his family. Here I would like to mention couple of lines about the master blaster Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, about his moral principles and his great devotion towards his dad. Many liquor and tobacco companies have lined up and offered him crores of rupees just to add couple of minutes in their commercial advertisements. But Mr. Sachin Tendulkar didn't accept those offers because he has given a word to his great dad that he would ever never endorse any liquor or tobacco company, as it would ruin the lives of families. That is the character of Sachin Tendulkar. Salute to Sachin Tendulkar, who is an icon of values and inspiration. History will never ever forget such devoted children. Bhagavan Sri Ram, he is himself is an indelible example for it. Like that, in this sloka, Swami Hanuman is mentioning tasya putrah priyo jyeshthah. Sri Rama is such a great son who has obtained the fondness of his great dad Dasaratha Maharaj. Recalling our today's sloka one more time. Tasya putrah priyo jyeshthah taaraa adhipa nibha raamo naama visheshaj shreshthah sarva dhanushmataam rakshitaa svasya dharmasya janasya api rakshitaa jiiva lokasya dharmasya param. Let us read at least one page of Valmiki Ramayan daily and lead a happy and successful life. I will come back and see you again with one more powerful sloka from Valmiki Ramayan. Pranamam.